here's a quick little unboxing video. These are the Venom Motorcycle lift stands, very highly rated on Amazon, very inexpensive. I think I paid, I'll put a link in the description. I think it was 65 or I think it's $69 for the pair. On eBay you can get these, but for one you'll pay like $50. So this was a no-brainer. Alright, so let's unpack these guys. Seems to be decent construction. There's some scuffs right here. Don't know if you can see those. This tag is all chewed up, probably because of shipping, the way they packed it. I mean, all it is in between the packing is some plastic here, which isn't the greatest. When I bought these, when I saw these online, for some stupid reason I thought they were going to come assembled. I didn't even think about assembly. And so when this little box came and it was supposed to be 2 stands in there, I go, that can't be right. But it's right, 2 stands in a little flat box. I don't even know if I'm going to read the instructions on how to put these together. Maybe I should. I usually don't. But who knows? We'll see. Allen head screws. And again, these are banged up. I don't know what's up with that. When I expect to buy something, even if it's inexpensive, I don't want to see bang marks on here. Let's see if you can pick that up on the camera. Right there. So far, it's not a deal breaker. They're gonna get banged up anyway in the garage when I put the motorcycle on it. But again, I just was hoping that it would be packaged a little bit better. Let's see if this one's banged up. Yep, it's got bangs here too, scratches in the clear coat. I mean in the powder coat. And that's actually not good, because that's gonna be one of the first places it's gonna start rusting when the powder coat gets scratched up. Okay. Oh, look at this. They know this is an issue. Look at that, right here. It says, important, please read. Please note, minor scratches may be present. These stands are 100% brand new. We perform a quality control test on each and every set of the stands. During this inspection, we assemble each item to ensure the stands are made to correct specs, etc., etc. Yeah, so there you go. So these guys are plastic or hard plastic bumpers that when you have your motorcycle in here and then you turn it, these actually lay on the ground so the frame doesn't get scratched up. Kind of funny. All right, so that one's done. Scratches are noted. It's actually even documented in their little flyer here. Other than that, these plastic wheels, I'm not a fan of. There's no ball bearings in there. This is just plastic on metal. But, you know, it's just supposed to lift the bike and stay there. It's not supposed to be rolling around a lot anyway. Other than that, I mean, for 65 bucks or whatever, I think it's great. It's a good utility. It's a good tool. It should last a while. I mean, it's not going to be use in any capacity that would really beat the crap out of it. So let's just try it on the bike and see how that works.